3M PPS Paint Spray Gun Cup Lids and Liners Kit, 16,028, micro, 3 ounces, 200 micron filter, use with paint gun for cars, furniture, home and more, 50 disposable lids and liners, 20 sealing plugs. Designed for use with 3M PPS Legacy Paint Preparation System. Kits contain disposable lids with micron filters, liners and sealing plugs. Stock PPS lids and liners efficiently and cost-effectively. Available for PPS cups and collars in 5 sizes, 90 ml 850 ml, 3 FL ounces 28 FL ounces, for jobs ranging from spot repairs to 4-panel repairs. PPS is an all-in-one disposable solution for measuring, mixing, filtering, and spraying of paint materials. System enables the painter to consistently spray at 90 degrees to the part, no matter the part orientation, even upside down. Click the link in the description to get this product.